Good afternoon, traders. This is the S&P 500 futures, micro futures chart review for 6/25/2019. Before we get started, I just want to say that if you are a struggling trader, if you don't know where to trade, please subscribe, watch the videos every morning. I'm like giving calls, giving levels, and trying to show you how to trade in the right locations. I am going to play you a small clip from this morning, and then I will come back and we will cover those trades, and then we'll look at the rest of the chart review. I've gone ahead and marked some of the most current price action on the chart. 50, this is 58. This is 51.75. This one is 29.33, and this one is 29.22. It doesn't mean that these other levels can't become, levels right here like 26. But let me show you here on. Okay, there were the calls. So let's take a look at 29.51.75. That is right here, and you had this nice beautiful sell-off right here. The next level was 29.33, which was actually right in here. It went a little bit past, so 29.33 was right here. It went a little bit past 31.50, but definitely gave you almost a 1.5 right there. Wasn't perfect, it was still selling, but right location, still gave you the trade. 29.22 was the next level, and that is right here, 29.22. We are still had a run up till 29.29 right there. And I also called 29.26, which was this level right here, 29.26, and it traded right in front of it and made the bounce. So you can see, basically I was in the right location, and I've got a lot of other trades that I did today, and you can see those on the complete review after the break. But I have videos that show you how to get these trades, and you should probably take a look, subscribe, and get active, ask questions, learn how to trade. So let's look at the rest of the review after this break. Hey traders, it's the S&P 500 futures chart review. Going to go over the rest of the chart for today. Still have about a half hour of trading left in the day, but I'm done. I made my money, and going to just kind of run you through the chart review. Please go look at the prep video from this morning so you get an idea. I had called a lot of stuff in there. I said, hey, look, this is all thin through here. You could have levels back here, which you did bounce off of, but you got a fast move through here and everything. It was a great day. The levels were really hitting for me. Nothing's perfect. I'll just tell you that. You can call an area, but stocks have momentum, so they're not going to stop always on a dime. But anyways, weekly chart. We are basically, we had drifted down, hit this level right here where the red line was in this morning's view, and we traded back up, and then I had kind of said, hey, we tested the top of this node right here, and the next thing that usually happens is we usually go test the bottom of the node, and sure enough, we even went beyond that. I said, hey, it's thin through here. Be careful. we could have a very fast move, and sure enough. So we've got a nice red weekly bar, and it's only Tuesday. So looking at the daily, you can see, you know, this is a pretty monster bar. I say this in so many videos. Big bar up, big bar down. I say, you know, nobody's built positions in here. You got to be careful, because when it comes back through, not a whole lot of people are going to defend the locations. You know, down here it was a different story, and this is where you started to see that the stock started to bounce more and get bigger swings. So it's learning how to read this chart. It's so key to being in the right locations for trades, and knowing not when not to fight the trend when it's gonna, you know, when it's gonna melt like this, right? Somebody on CNBC is gonna say Trump texted something, or I don't know. There was no positions in here. I don't pay any attention to any of that. So again, you can see on the 240, you got this big old gap right in here. It's just thin, right? And you get this move off right into where there's volume, and then you get the bounce. So this is the 240 chart, and you can see that it sold pretty much all day long. 60 minutes. In the prep video, I said, hey, look, this looks bullish right here. And then this morning, when it got down here, it got underneath the node. You can go look at yesterday's chart review. I think it was yesterday's chart review. I said, hey, I think we're under the node, or maybe I put it on this morning's chart review or chart prep. I said, hey, we're under the node. Where to now? And in this morning's video, I said, hey, this is a bear flag right here. It's probably gonna trade up and then sell. And yeah, nice, very nice call. Look over here on the other side, the complete opposite. Look how thin. See the thinness? We'd already tested this. See this area right here? We already tested this. Through, where are we testing? We're testing the bottom of this. See this? We're testing it. It's basic after you get it. It's basic after you get it. So this is my intraday chart. I know it always looks busy. Somebody said most whack chart on YouTube or something. I don't know. The blue lines are scalping lines, and I draw them on my intraday because I want to scalp these locations. There's a distinct set of rules for scalping the lines. It's outlined in a video. I spend probably 20 minutes walking through the scalp lines. But anyways, in this morning's video, I had already drawn in this profile, and this is where it hit this level right here. There was another profile up here, which was this 58 level. You can see this guy sold down, built us a nice little volume node right here. Built us a nice little volume node right here. There's like 2 videos on how to do this. You know, they're exercises for you to practice. And see this guy come right back. This is the pattern that you look for. Boom, right into the level, sells off, and it's gone. There was another level in here too. I don't have it all marked out, but it lined it up right here with this top guy. But let us continue on right here. So again, here's the pattern. Nice big level of volume, big shelf of volume. Trades down, comes all the way back to it. Boom, there you go. You're off to the races again. There's exercises. You guys can go practice this. This was one of the levels way back here. And you can see the reaction. There's another level right underneath it, and there was one right in here that I couldn't quite get the point of control to draw across this morning. But if you go watch the video, you'll see me struggling to try and give you a line right there. But I knew there was a level right there. So it hit this level. You can see that it sold a little bit more. My scalp line was a better trade here, and you get the bounce. So, and that guy scalp line again, beautiful trade right here, right back, right into this level right here. You can see this level that we bounced off of. Nice trade, very nice trade, and you can see it coming back right into a nice little volume cluster right here. Point of control, another great bounce. And that's how we're kind of ending the day here. If you look in the prep video or whatever, we had these lines all drawn in on the bigger charts, and that's what I showed you this morning for these levels before it ever got here. Scalp lines, right? These scalp lines I draw before the market even trades, right? Before there's even price action out here. And you can learn how to draw these too, but where in the world? Oh, it's back here. I'm just trying to remove some of this stuff from the chart here. Where are you? Right there. Scalp levels here, all out of control. So you can see how well these scalp levels work just out of the box. Price hasn't even traded here, and you know they're finding support across it. This one failed right here. This one traded right in front of the line, found support right against the other one, comes back, nice little scalp, right? Falls through. We've already tested it. Doesn't quite make it to the other side. Comes back, finds support on the back side. Sells through. You can see that it tried right here, but this is too soon. You've already traded through it. Big long bar, that's in the course. Nice little sell down right here. Find support on my line and find support again. You can see that it tried to bounce, but too soon. This one goes through. You've already tested the line right here. Boom. Sweet little trade right there. Again, another right here on the scalp line. Boom, right up to it. Tries to hold it. Goes through. I wouldn't trust that. Big long bar on that side, right? Again, right here, right in front of the line. Sell off. Goes through it. Bouncing around. Comes back. Boom. Another scalp right out of that one. You've already tested this line, falls through, falls to the next one. Look right here, you would have been able to just scalp it right on that blue line right there. Right back up, you get your sell off, you get another point out of there. If you decide to scalp it the other direction, boom, right back to the scalp line, right back to the scalp line. I draw these lines before the market even trades, and that's how accurate they are. So last thing here is the chart symmetry from today. I'd drawn this first swing. I did the 100% range extensions down. I showed you guys. Look at this, beautiful, all the way down, 100% range extension, 100% range extension right here, 100% range extension right here. It traded through this one. You can see that it tried to bounce right there, but did not bounce. 100% range extension there, right into the area. Again, another one right here, all the way, right? So symmetry, I believe in it, and you know, you can draw those just easy. They're just 100% range extensions. If you guys like the chart analysis, if you guys like the trades, check out the other videos, subscribe. If you have questions, please leave comments. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to build the channel, get people interested. Seems like people kind of not sure about this method of trading, but it's really a good way to trade with volume and really nothing else that you really need. So anyways, I'm calling it a day, and I will see you in the morning for more. Take care. Hope you had a good trading day too.